Hey, this is Saul with Saul Overman Survival. We've got a new product here. We're going to review. It's not necessarily per se, I would say, a survival item. It's an Italian military, Italian Navy sailor's knife. Very handy for anybody that's working with a lot with sailcloth or canvas or rope. See, it has a large, generous marlin spike, a nice sheep foot blade. This is a cloth ripper here, designed for cutting canvas, cutting cloth. Works well for that. These came in very much covered in cosmoline that had dried over several decades, apparently dried to like a varnish. But once that was cleaned off, and you can't boil them to clean it because the handles won't take that heat. Once it was cleaned off, they showed the blades were very nice. Cosmoline did its job. No corrosion on them really at all, which is kind of shocking for a marine item. Also, the joints on the blades were very stiff as they come. They took a little bit of oil in and a little moving them back and forth, and they seem fine. These seem like high quality knives, very well ground. Looks like a really good steel. No complaints about them at all. They're real nice. The handles are black plastic with a checkered, kind of a sharp checkered. It looks like it'd give a really good grip even when wet. Got a lanyard loop, which I definitely recommend using for anything you're going to use on a boat around water or whatever, because you only get to drop it in the water off the side of the boat one time. I'll try to get a little close up of it here. Very nice item for surplus, very clean. Marlin spike, I've used it on a couple ropes. It's big enough and sharp enough, and it locks down stiffly enough that it actually is usable. Some of them you see on some knives are so-called sailor knives. The marlin spike really is not very usable, but this one is. So anyway, they'll be available on eBay, on the eBay store, so I'll check them out, make a bid on one. Keywords on the search would be vintage Italian naval knife. Thank you.